Okay, now we're going to do the transfer tape part. So you can see I'll get a corner of this transfer tape, which is really two-sided tape that we're going to use to grab this geometric image and put it onto our cell phone case. See, I've got the backing off. I'm going to turn it over so the sticky side's down, and I'm going to place it right over my image. Okay, now I'm going to get my scraper, and this is called burnishing. And really make sure that your vinyl is going to stick to the transfer tape in a way that allows you to apply it to the surface of the cell phone case. I'm going to turn it over, do this burnishing on the back of the transfer tape a little bit. All right, now what I'm going to do is pull the transfer tape up, and hopefully the vinyl sticker will come with it. And you can see I'm kind of coming at an angle here. And if something doesn't come up, you can kind of press it down as you go. Come back here and burnish this again. So this is really maybe the most delicate part of the process, is making sure that you get everything up. There it's starting to come. See it's coming there? Okay.